channel. Today we are going to understand one of the most important concept in chemistry, that is valency of carbon. In this video we will understand what is meant by valency, then we understand why valency of carbon is 4 and why carbon called as king of organic chemistry. So what is meant by valency? Valency means combining capacity of atom, combining capacity of atom, or we also call it as a bonds number of bonds number of bonds atom can form. Number of bonds atom can form means uh, valency means combining capacity of atoms, or we also call it as a number of bonds atom can form. To understand this, we take an example. Suppose we take example of hydrogen. So valency of hydrogen is 1, means hydrogen can able to form one bond. Then we take example of oxygen. Oxygen having valency 2, means oxygen can form two bonds. Then we consider here nitrogen. Nitrogen having valency 3, means nitrogen can form three bonds. Similarly, today we understand about our main topic, that is what is valency of carbon. Valency of carbon. So today we will understand about the valency of carbon. So what is the valency of carbon? The answer is simple, that is 4. But now we understand how valency of carbon is 4. How valency of carbon is 4. So let's we see here. As we know that atomic number of carbon is 6, means 6 electrons are present in the carbon. Now we write electronic configuration. So when we write electronic configuration, then we can see here in the K shell of carbon there are about 2 electrons. In the K shell of carbon there are about 2 electrons. In the L shell of carbon there are about 4 electrons. So when we see the outermost shell, then we can see here carbon has 4 electrons in the outermost shell. Now remember that atom want to complete 8 electrons in their outermost shell, means atom try to satisfy octet rule. So carbon needs 4 electron to complete its octets. So its valency is 4. That means carbon can form 4 bonds. Carbon does not lose this 4 electron or gain 4 electron, because both require huge amount of energy. So instead of this, carbon share these 4 electrons and form covalent bond. So let me see here. Electronic configuration of carbon having atomic number 6 is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Then we write ground state electronic configuration of carbon. So when we write ground state electronic configuration of carbon, then we can see here, see that this is a 1s orbital, 2s orbital and 2p orbital. Okay. Now we see here, see that in the 1s orbital there are about 2 electrons. So we fill here 2 electrons. In the 2s orbital again 2 electrons. In the 2p orbital 2 electrons are present. In the 2p orbital, in the 2p orbital 2 electrons are present in the ground state. But this 2 is the outer shell, means this electron can be excited to the outer orbital. Means when we write the electronic excited state electronic configuration of carbon, excited state electronic configuration of carbon, then we can see here, then we can see here, this is a 1s, 2s, 2p. So here inner shell electrons remains as it is, and here electron from 2s orbital is excited to the outermost 2pz suborbital. Then we can see here, here 4 number of unpaired electrons we can see here. Means this carbon having 4 unpaired electron to combine with other atoms. Means this carbon share these 4 electrons for bond formation. Now suppose consider here, here 4 electrons, unpaired electrons are there. So carbon can form 4 bonds with, suppose we take an example of hydrogen. Now to understand this, we take here example. For example, methane. As you know that methane, molecular formula of methane is CH4. Means carbon can form 4 bonds with the methane, because hydrogen containing 1 electron and carbon containing 1 electron are sharing of these electron with each other to form 1 bond. Means carbon having 4 unpaired electrons, so 4 hydrogen can combine with this 1 carbon to form 4 bonds. That's why valency of carbon is 4. Now we consider another example. Suppose ethane. Ethane having molecular formula C2H6. When we see the structure of ethane, then we can see here, to each carbon here 3 hydrogen can be attached. So when we see the valency of carbon, carbon can form 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4 bonds, 3 with hydrogen and 1 with carbon. That's why we can see that here valency of carbon is 4. Similarly another carbon can form 4 bonds, 1, 2, 3 and 4 bonds, 3 with hydrogen and 1 with carbon. So in each case carbon form 4 bonds. That's why carbon can form millions of compounds, so called king of organic chemistry. Okay, so in this way we understand here valency of carbon, that is 4. So if this video help you understand valency in a simple way, like this video, share with your friends and comment below. Carbon is king of organic chemistry. Thank you.